Hello friends, welcome to Learn With Me. My name is Param and I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm gonna share with you a sample answer of most common question asked in every interview. Here you can find 4 answers and pick easy one for you. So firstly, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, I request you please like and subscribe it that you can watch my all upcoming videos. So without wasting time, let's get started the video. Friends, there are many ways to ask this question like tell me about yourself, give me your self introduction, introduce yourself, or give your brief introduction. So you can prepare one answer for all. Here I explain one answer for fresher, one answer for experience, and one answer for daily conversation. So daily conversation means when you, for example, when a teacher come in the class and firstly he introduce himself or herself and after that ask you to introduce yourself. At that time you don't need to explain that I am a fresher or I am an experienced, something like that. Then you can give simple introduction. Friends, here are some important points we need to bear in our mind when we go for an interview. When we start to explain ourselves, we need to care about these important points. So let's discuss one by one. Friends, you need to optimize your answer and you can do it by using these points. First is your name. You need to explain your name firstly. After that, where are you from, like your city name, your area name, your educational qualifications, like what did you do and what are you doing, your achievements. Next is talk about your hobbies. What are your hobbies? You need to describe your family background, your weaknesses and strengths. And next is your goals, short-term goal and long-term goal. You can describe in your self-introduction. So let's discuss the answers now. The first answer for freshers, guys. The first line in red colors, if you want to add it, then you can add. Otherwise, you can skip it, doesn't matter. So if you want to add, you can say like this. First of all, many thanks. It's a great pleasure for me to introduce myself. My name is Arun from Patiala, which is located in Punjab. I have completed my Bachelor of Business Administration from Punjab University, Patiala. I have done 1 year ADS diploma from City Center. My hobbies are, if you want to say, then you can say this line, my hobbies are. Otherwise, you can start simply, I like to listen music like this. So you can add here. My hobbies are, I like to listen music, reading books and traveling. I live with my 4 family members, my father, mother and sister. I know I am fresher in this field, but I am a quick learner, self-motivated and punctual. I love to work as a team member. I always ready to face the challenges in life. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed company that I can explore my skills, and my long-term goal is to see myself at a higher position where I will work. So guys, you can speak like this in your interview. It's really simple and really valuable. The one more answer for freshers. My name is Mary from Mumbai. I have completed my graduation in mass communication from City University, Mumbai. About my hobbies are playing cricket and football, reading novels, business or magazines, and watching TV. About my family, my father is a retired person, my mother is a housewife, and I have one more brother. He is in 10th standard. I'm a fresher, but I am very hardworking person and passionate to gain more and more knowledge. Whatever task I take in my hand, I do with full passion and concentration and try to complete the task on time. I'm self-motivated, positive attitude and enthusiastic towards work. My goal is to work with a good telecom company like yours by sharing my knowledge that can be helpful for the company growth and development. The next answer for experienced candidates. The first line, if you want to say, you can also explain, otherwise you can skip it. First of all, thank you for giving me the wonderful chance to speak about myself in front of you. I am John from Delhi. I have done MBA in Marketing and Finance in 2014. I love using my talents to bring more business to a worthy product. I worked as a marketing manager at XYZ, your company name, for 3 years. I originated the policies related to customer service and implemented them. I learned many strategies there of marketing and branding. I had to leave that job due to my personal reasons. Coming to my family, I have 5 members: my father, mother, me, and 2 siblings. My hobbies are watching news, listening music, exercising, and meeting with different culture of people and making friends. I am a hardworking, flexible, punctual, and enthusiastic towards work. Thank you. So friends, this is a common answer. You can introduce yourself in front of others. If you are giving your introduction to your teachers, then you can use first line. Otherwise, you can start simply. First of all, thank you for giving me the wonderful chance to speak about myself in front of you. I am Kin from Delhi. I'm undergraduate. I have completed my schooling from XYZ school. Coming to my family, I have 5 members: my father, mother, me, and 2 siblings. My hobbies are I like to watch TV or watching news, listening music, exercising, and meeting with different culture of people and making friends. Otherwise, you can define your own hobbies like dancing, listening music, playing cricket, football, cooking, something like that. I am a hardworking, flexible, punctual, and enthusiastic towards work. You can say I'm a confident, honest person. You can also define it. My goal is I want to run my own business after my study. Yeah, फिर after completion my study. If you are like doing medical study, then you can say I want to open my own hospital that I can serve the people. I want to run my own business in mass communication. I want to open my own shop, my own showroom, something like that. You want to do in your life, you want to like to do in your life, you can define here. Like this example you can read: I want to open my own hospital that I can serve people. So there are 4 ways you can define yourself. So friends, these were the 4 answers, 4 templates you can use for your self introduction. I hope you like it. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Definitely you can find interesting stuff here related to education, related to English language. So thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you in different video with new content. Till that time, all the best. Good luck. Thank you so much.